Hello everyone! Thanks for tuning in for a very special pour on a Thursday night. I am taking part in a 12 Days of Christmas collaboration put together by Massey Art Studios. Thank you, Lee and Jeremy. I got the lucky draw of 10 Lords of Leaping, and I have racked my brain on what to do, how to set myself apart in getting something done on a larger canvas that represents 10. So I've come up with the idea of doing 10 open cups on a 24 by 30 canvas. I'm very excited about it. Normally what you would do is in an open cup, you would just put a cup down and pour your paint into it, let it move around, maybe move it. I'm gonna leave all 10 cups on the canvas and then I'll spin them off the canvas and tilt. So I haven't tried this yet. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm taking you on the journey. Let's get started. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so what I've got is a 24 by 30. I am going really large and I'm being very ambitious. In the theme of 10 Lords of Leaping, I am going to do 10 open cup pours on this canvas. We are going to have a lot of paint on here. A lot of paint's going to get tilted off more than likely, but I am very, very excited to try this. Let's really quick talk about these colors. Expert Series Amsterdam in Indigo. Greenish Blue from Amsterdam as well. Soho in Silver. TLP in Mermaid. Love this blue color. It's so beautiful. Titanium White from Amsterdam. And Grenache by TLP. So my paint today, I mixed about 2 ounces of Liquitex gloss varnish and about 3 heaping sticks of the TLP Grenache, and then added mix to it and then water to thin it down because we want a thin consistency with our open cup pours. So I'm gonna put my first puddle right here in the center of, off center of the canvas. Just a little bit of white. Put my first cup there. A little white around the edge. I'm going to pour from up high. I'm going to go with the indigo blue first. Greenish blue. Silver. Mermaid. A little bit of white. And a nice dollop of Grenache. Ooh, is it selling up? All right, that's cup 1. Let's put the cup halfway in this. Oh shoot, okay. I'm gonna put a little bit of white in the center. Also a little bit around the edge. Oops, maybe more than a little bit. Now I'm going to do the reverse. I'm going to Grenache white, mermaid, silver, greenish blue, indigo. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number 9. Now, where should I stick the last one? Sorry about that, guys. Thought the camera had zoomed out. It did not, so I just kept doing the same order over there. I'm good with the perimeters, but it's the 4 in here, or 3 in the center. So that's where the wreckage is going to end up coming from. So let's circle these off. Okay, so I've got 2. Let's do it quickly. Guess I'll bring this one out this way. Let's put some flow down. All right, let's figure out where the weight of the paint is. All right, I think I'm gonna go off this corner over here first. Okay, so this is great. I love the composition. I love where the grenache went in the tilting. Beautiful cell action happening. Just cool. Let me clean up the edges. I'm gonna torch and then I'll bring you guys in. All right guys, here is the wet result. I absolutely love this. I love the composition. I love the streaks. So cool. Let me bring you in here. Look at this, it looks like an eyeball. All right guys, so let's see this dry. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, here is the dried result. It dried fantastic. It is so beautiful. Let me bring you in here up close. All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. This is so beautiful. I love this composition. I love my little dragon eye up here. It kind of looks like a dragon. It dried really great. I'm gonna get some Liquitex gloss varnish on it after it's fully cured. Very excited about this piece. It is really cold. I took this outside to do the dried result, and as you saw, the snow, it's freezing outside. Right now it's only 15 degrees, so. All right, everyone, thanks for tuning in today. Thank you so much for the Massey Boys. I really appreciate you asking me to be a part of this collaboration. All right, guys, tomorrow night, Friday, is going to be Acrylic Creations by Janet. She's gonna be up next doing 11 Pipers Piping, so it's gonna be very exciting. And then the Massey Boys are gonna finish us up on Christmas Eve with 12 drummers drumming, so. All right, everyone, take care. Have a happy Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and I guess I will see you in the next video. I think I will have one more video before the end of the year. So take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.